Well, we have to go by stages. If all the capacity to replace plastic by bamboo was achieved, the impact is huge. My focus is in agricultural issues. The impact of plastic usage in the whole agri-food systems is huge. There is about 50 million tons of plastic use every year in the agricultural food chain, all the way to packing and production and packing. Imagine if we just managed to reduce a little bit more every year. This will really have a big impact in many aspects, especially the environment. But not only, it would have an impact in the livelihoods of people. It would have an impact in, of course, the health of our ecosystems. We will have healthy soils, because bamboo not only replaces something that is damaging, but also enhances. It makes it better because it adds organic material, it traps carbon. We can make a list of all the things that can be done with bamboo. We have the capacity to create many clusters of industry related to this production. So if you start as a smallholder farmer, you have the incentives and the support to do a farm of bamboo. You can decide what to do with it. You can decide, well, I'm going to build little boxes, to sell as a souvenir or as a container. You can use it for even for food. You can use you can use it as fuel, food, industry. We have very few years left to reach the famous 2030 development agenda. And the only way it is working together, partnerships, which is number 17 of these SDGs, is key. We can replicate good practices that have worked in one place and move it to another place and adapt it to the new reality in the new country, in Africa or whatever. We have to have a strong government that puts, first of all, has to take the decision that they want to start doing this transition. Innovation, innovation is key. Everywhere there is research and new things coming up, that said, good policies, partnerships, innovation, access to finance, many other more.